Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title of the video, that we are going to talk about a very cheap beauty blender. Now this blender is by the brand Mars Cosmetics. They are on the Instagram by the name Reached Mars. Okay, so you can just check them out. They make very cheap, cosmetics. So I am actually thinking of trying their whole range, but I thought to start with a beauty blender because it was their hot selling product, and everybody, on their website was like praising for this, blender. So I saw the commercial and I thought of buying it, and let's just, talk about the beauty blender. So if you're interested to know about this beauty blender, then keep on watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, tab to pakka subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And now let's just hit the video. इससे पहले कि वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाए, इंट्रो बहुत लंबा हो जाए. Since it is already listed in the cheap beauty blender, I just don't want to dig more into the price. It costed 230 rupees. There was off on the website. It went for like 199 rupees. Then there was shipping charges which were for 30-40 rupees, and I again got it with 240 rupees. So now let's just talk about the packaging. It comes in this plastic packaging. Packaging is not very bougie. It is very simple. Plastic is very flimsy. It is not very, wow type of packaging. Mars has gone very low with the packaging, but the product I hope would be all good. Okay, now this is called Wonder Blender, by the way. It is only available in online stores. There is no offline stores that stocks it up. Even the online stores, Nykaa does not stocks it up. It is only available in Mars Cosmetics official website, which I would be linking in the description. And secondly, Amazon, वो भी कभी-कभी इसे stock करते हैं, लेकिन I just recently saw it, like when I was making the video, a day before I saw it, and yes, it was in the Amazon, so you can also check it out on Amazon. The price was लगभग same. It was 189 rupees ka in Amazon, so just check it out and buy it from Amazon, obviously. Now let's talk about the the product itself. Let's just open it and see how it looks. Now let's talk about it. It comes in only one variant. It looks like this, and one variant means that it only comes in pink color, and it only comes in this shape, which is a teardrop shape. There is no other shape this beauty blender comes in, so this is the only shape you will get it in. And one of the good feature about this beauty blender is that it is latex free, so it is really good for sensitive skin. Okay, now when dry, it still feels soft and squishy, but when I hit it on my skin, it feels hard. It's not that soft. Now I have two beauty blenders to compare it with. It's like my Real Technique and my Morphe blender. My Morphe blender is still harder than this one. You can see Morphe is not pressing much when it's dry, but this one is pressing harder, and I am giving both a very good press, and you can see how much gap of the blender is, how much width you get here. So this one is more squishy, but if I compare it to my Real Techniques one, it is almost comparable to the Real Techniques one. It's soft and squishy like that only. Now let's just dip it in water and just see how big it gets. Okay guys, you just saw it expanded, how big it got. Well, more than the height, it got big in the width, so it squeezed a lot of water. It soaked a lot of water. Now it's pretty much damp, okay, but it soaked a lot of water and it got so expanded. I'm really happy with the fact that it's so soft and squishy now. मतलब पहले से it's like double soft and squishy. So squishiness test or softness test अब देखें तो it's like pressing totally now. And also now if I hit my skin with the beauty blender, it feels like okay, it's not that hard. It literally feels like my Morphe one now the feeling is like the Morphe one. It is the, I guess, blend of many blenders. It has Morphe ke Real Techniques ke. So yes, we would be applying the foundation now with this beauty blender and see that how well it blends the foundation, guys. So the foundation I have selected here is the K Beauty foundation. I have chosen this foundation because it's a hydrating foundation, number one, and second, it is a medium coverage foundation. I want to see the results of this blender with the medium coverage foundation. Now with the side of the blender, I am blending the foundation, and it is blending seamlessly. You can see how well it is blending. blending. So I'm using the sides of the blender and the butt of the blender, and you can see how beautifully it blended the foundation. Now I'm gonna use my concealer under the eyes, and then we're gonna blend that as well. Make sure you have used a lot of concealer, and then again I am going to push it in my under eye areas. I am just going to push it, I'm not gonna drag it. Done with the full face of makeup after using the foundation and concealer with the beauty blender or the Wonder Blender. So my face looks good. When the makeup is sitting on the top, the foundation does not budge after it was used by the Wonder Blender with the Wonder Blender, right? Okay, so there are some things that I want to talk about the beauty blender. I just wanted to give a final review on the beauty blender or the Wonder Blender itself, that you should buy it or not, or how and what I feel about it. So first of all, the foundation, it blends seamlessly, evenly, and without any fussiness on my face. I don't have to give that extra pressure, which I was thinking in the beginning, that I had to hit so hard to blend the foundation. The foundation blended so smoothly, so evenly, like this is the perfection. Wow. Now the foundation was not patchy, not sticky, not uneven on any part of my face, which is like But there's one thing about the blender which I guess no one talks about. You can see that much portion it's soaked. I mean, that was a lot. I mean, for only one use, the beauty blender is just used once. Today only, I just unpacked it today only, got it yesterday. So that is a lot of product, and I had to use like 3 pumps of foundation. I never, like 2.5 pumps of foundation. I never use that much of foundation. It's like 1.5 pump and then I'm good to go. But yeah, K Beauty foundation is little less to medium coverage foundation, so I had to use mix it with MACA foundation or any harder foundation, Maybelline Superstay foundation, any foundation that has some thick consistency. Yeah, that can be fair, but again, the soaking power was little too much. That's why I'm saying that it's the blender who's soaking a little much product. So would I recommend using this product or not? I mean, it is just for 250 rupees, and in 250 rupees your foundation is getting blended so well. So I definitely recommend the product. I love the product.